Okay, let's go. The wonderful thing about underground vegetables is they are so versatile. They can be used in so many ways. And our friends here at Hallava Falafel are proving just that. So let's check it out. So I understand you guys make a really good Russian beet spread, is that right?
Yeah.
And how do you guys use that?
We put it on our sandwiches and our salads, so it gives it a nice like earthiness.
Right, so this is it, huh? This is the deal, huh?
falafel, yeah.
So now tell me, are beets typically on a falafel?
Nope.
It's a unique thing that you guys are doing, right?
It's a Hallava thing.
Okay, it's a Hallava thing.
Time to take this beet spread to the streets to see what people think.
Do you like beets?
Yes, I do.
You do? What about beets?
I've never had them before.
Really? I have this wonderful Russian beet spread from our friends over there at Hallava Falafel.
Okay.
Why don't you take some of this and try that for me and tell me what you think. This is exciting.
All right.
Sean's first beet.
It's not too overpowering. There's a lovely kind of sauce like to complement the beets as well. Yeah, it's really nice.
That's good. Doesn't taste like a vegetable.
That's good. And those are beets.
Yeah. Oh. It's really nice. It tastes really good with the warm bread.
Before I had no clue what a beet tasted like, so this is good.
Well, there you go. Well, I'm glad we can open some new horizons for you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sean.